Big Supreme Court verdict that's expected today. In fact, the court is going to be taking up Arvind Kejriwal's plea against his arrest in the Delhi Liquorgate policy. This comes right after Delhi High Court had rejected Kejriwal's plea on the 9th of April, terming his arrest as completely legal. A two-judge bench of justices, Sanjeev Khanna and Deepankar, will hear the Delhi Chief Minister's petition. Kejriwal's petition states his arrest is politically motivated and was solely based on contradictory statements of his co-accused. Now, those co-accused have all turned approvers. They say, according to Arvind Kejriwal's counsel, that the approver statements cannot be a standalone reason for the ED to keep him in custody for this long. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party is up in arms. Sanjay Singh has alleged BJP's involvement in pressurizing Sharath Reddy to give statements against Arvind Kejriwal.
जो व्यक्ति शरद रेड्डी नाम का है, जिसने बीजेपी को 60 करोड़ रुपए रिश्वत दी, जिसको खुद ईडी ने किंग पिन कहा, घोटालेबाज कहा, उस शरद रेड्डी को 12 बयान में 10 बयान उसने दिया, केजरीवाल का नाम नहीं लिया। अंतिम 2 बयान में जैसे ही उसने केजरीवाल का नाम लिया, उसको बेल मिल गई। और सिर्फ बेल ही नहीं मिली, मई के महीने में 2023 में उसको माफी नामा भी मंजूर हो गया।
All right. So far, Arvind Kejriwal hasn't really got relief from various courts. In fact, the Delhi High Court very recently had said that it upholds the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal and that his arrest itself is legal. There's enough evidence to suggest that he may have benefited from the proceeds of the crime. It's indeed a big day for him. This is literally the last resort. Supreme Court to take up the matter. And in the meanwhile, Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, makes his way to Tihar jail to give him that much-needed boost to Arvind Kejriwal in prison. Let me cut across to Shrishti Ojha, who tracks court for us. Shrishti, go on. Give us more on Arvind Kejriwal's plea that will be heard by the Supreme Court today. It hasn't gone well all this while for him. Delhi High Court had very clearly stated that they have ample evidence to suggest that Arvind Kejriwal may have benefited from the proceeds of the crime. Therefore, he can be kept in custody. His arrest itself is legal.
Well, yes, Nabila, it was a huge setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from the High Court when the High Court had said that his arrest by Enforcement Directorate and the subsequent remand to ED's custody was in fact legal. ED had enough evidence to arrest him and therefore his arrest was completely legal. Now, Mr. Kejriwal has challenged that order before the Supreme Court. A division bench led by Justice Sanjeev Khanna will hear that case today. It will be a very crucial hearing because even in his petition before the Supreme Court, Mr. Kejriwal has maintained that his arrest was illegal. He had also made some remarks against the Enforcement Directorate, saying that ED's process has been used to benefit for some vested interests, where to topple opposition parties, to invade the liberty and rights of opposition parties. Enforcement Directorate's process is being used against the opposition leaders. This is the case that Arvind Kejriwal has made before the top court. He has also said that on inducement of exoneration and the benefit of bail, belated statements were taken of approvers and witnesses in this case. Since the beginning, Mr. Kejriwal's lawyers have maintained that many accused in this case who later on became approvers were in a way made to give statements against Mr. Kejriwal, and once they agreed to implicate Mr. Kejriwal and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders in their statements, they were given the benefit of either becoming an approver, getting a pardon or get bail. So this is something that High Court had said that the law on approvers is very clear. This is not the first case which is relying on the statements of approvers. Earlier also, many trials have relied on approver statements. However, Mr. Kejriwal's petition before the Supreme Court had said that statements of approvers cannot be taken as gospel of truth. These statements can be questioned by courts and should be questioned by courts, because according to him, this was a benefit which has been given by ED to these accused turn approvers only so they would implicate Mr. Kejriwal. So since the beginning, Mr. Kejriwal has called this case politically motivated, where cases are registered against him and he was arrested after the Model Code of Conduct was announced only to crush the Aam Aadmi Party and to enable, to topple the Aam Aadmi Party and Mr. Kejriwal before the elections even begin. He has said that if he's not released forthwith, and please note this is a submission before the top court, that if Mr. Kejriwal is not released forthwith, it would set a very bad precedence in a way that it would set a bad precedence that that the ruling party can use ED to topple the opposition parties and opposition leaders in such a manner.